Alright, so a lot of people always ask me, Aaron, what do you do for work? So part of what I do is I sell products on Amazon. And so in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get started as a beginner. So yeah, the way I got started was I took a Amazon course online. And from there I met this dude named Luke W. Met him on YouTube because he's making a lot of Amazon videos. A lot of videos about Amazon. And so, long story short, we flew him out to California to have him give us a hand with our Amazon business. And within a few weeks of him leaving, like, we had already started getting sales. And then like 2 months after that, between eBay and Amazon, we had done over 20,000 in sales. Okay, now you're probably wondering, okay, how do I get started selling on Amazon? Now I'm gonna tell you. Okay, the best way to get started selling on Amazon is to take a course, okay? Like, Aaron, what course should I take, bro? The course I'm gonna recommend to you is a course by Luke W. It's called the Amazon Seller Pro course, okay? It's called Amazon Seller Pro. And it's gonna teach you pretty much everything that was taught to me by Luke W, like in person, okay? That's why I'm like the best person to like promote his course, because I've actually applied what he taught me and have made money from it. So if you're trying to get into Amazon, like learn to sell on Amazon, again, like a course is gonna like save you time because all the information is all organized and it's in steps. And also the cool thing about getting Luke's course is that he actually offers a one-on-one coaching call when you finish his course for free. So that's pretty cool. And then also you get access to his private Facebook group where there's other sellers in there. So you get a lot of like inside tricks and like tips and stuff. And then real quick, like maybe some of you guys aren't sure what I'm talking about as far as selling on Amazon. What I'm talking about is a business model called Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. And what you do is you find a product using the software that Luke shows you how to use in the course, and you find a product and you get it made in China, and from there, right from China, you ship it straight into Amazon's warehouse, and then Amazon fulfills the orders for you, so you really don't need to touch any product. You can do it all from home. So yeah, I just want to make this quick video to tell you guys about Luke's course and hopefully point you in the right direction if you're a beginner trying to sell on Amazon. So like I said, and I know I already said this, it's gonna save you time, okay? And time is money. So yeah, check out that course. If you buy through my affiliate link, I'll help you out too for free. If you run any kind of ideas by me, any kind of product ideas, or if you need help writing a product description or something, I'll help you out. But yeah, other than that, I just want to make this quick video. Hopefully it helps you out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.